In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access workspaces in Monday.com. If you're new to Monday.com or just need a quick refresher on navigating the workspace settings, this guide will help you access, create, and manage your workspaces effectively. To get started, you'll need to head over to Monday.com. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in the website address. That's Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now that you're on the login page, you'll notice several options to sign in. For today's tutorial, we're going to simplify the process by using Google authentication. This means you'll click on the option that says Google and then pick your Google account from the list. If you haven't connected your Google account before, you might be prompted to log into your Google account or give permissions to Monday.com. But don't worry, this is a standard procedure to ensure security. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a panel containing several menu items. Find the Workspace drop-down here and click on it. This feature allows you to view your existing workspaces as well as create new ones, making it a critical part of managing your Monday.com environment. After you've clicked on the Workspace drop-down, you'll see an option that says Add Workspace. Select this option to start creating a new workspace. At this point, start typing in the name for your new workspace. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or team for which the workspace is intended, as this will help others easily identify it. Once you've decided on the perfect name, click on Add Workspace to solidify your changes. Now, you have a shiny new workspace ready to be utilized. But wait, we still need to add team members. So next up, we'll click on the Invite button. This button is usually located on the right side of your screen and allows you to add collaborators to your workspace. Here, you'll type in the names of team members you want to invite. Ensure that their email addresses are correct to avoid any access issues. Great, you're doing fantastic. Now head back to the Workspace drop-down on the left side once more. Click on it and then select the option labeled Browse All. This feature is incredibly handy. It provides a comprehensive view of all the workspaces you've created or have access to in your account. Depending on your permissions, you can switch between workspaces, manage them, or simply review the tasks and projects at hand. This dashboard-like view is designed to help you stay organized and on top of all ongoing activities. And there you have it. You've learned how to access, create, and manage workspaces on Monday.com. This process is streamlined to enhance collaboration and efficiency within your team. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out more videos if you found this tutorial helpful.